How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody ROVE body pad. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, open the zipper that secures the head pillow to the chair, then remove the head pillow. Now, open the upper body pad zipper. Next, lift up on the front of the body pad, slide the heat cable connector to the side, then disconnect the connectors. Open both side zippers, then remove the body pad from the chair. To install the new body pad, place it into position, then zip the left-hand side of the body pad to the chair. Connect the heat cable connectors, then slide the connector cover over the connectors. Now, zip the right-hand side of the body pad to the chair. Press the front of the body pad to secure it. Next, zip the top of the body pad to the chair. Feed the head pillow tongue through the retaining strap from the front, then close the zipper to secure it. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.